Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to change your lock screen button on iPhone. In order to do this, you're going to go over to the top left corner and slide down, and then you're going to tap on the screen and hold. Next, you're going to select the customize button at the bottom, and then between your lock screen and your home screen, you're going to select your lock screen. And right now we have the option to edit the two toggle buttons on the lock screen of our iPhone. On the left, we have the torch, and on the right, we have the camera. Say we want to change the torch, we're going to tap on the minus icon at the top left of this icon. So that first of all removes the torch, and then you can see the plus icon revealed. You're going to tap on it, and here you have some options that you can change into for your lock screen. Say we want to use the calculator, we're going to tap on calculator, and now we have the calculator on the left instead of the torch, and still we have the camera on the right. If we want to remove the camera, we could also tap on the minus button and then click on the plus. So right here you have some other options, but we're going to go ahead and select the timer. And now we have the calculator on the left and the stopwatch timer on the right. And then at the top of the screen, you can see cancel on the left and done on the right. We're going to select done and then tap on the screen again. And now we have our calculator and our timer. All we need to do now is to scroll up, and right now we're on our home screen. And when you lock your iPhone, you're going to see exactly what you set. And this is how to change your lock screen button on iPhone.